Okay, so I got to the bottom of problem. Um, this is the sending unit that I just pulled out of my 84 Corvette, which was not starting, cranking but no start. It's a brand new sending unit, brand new fuel pump. Delphi, the specs for 84 low pressure fuel pump, and this is what happened. The rubber hose that connects the sending unit to the fuel pump just kind of snapped, or rather cut off with these kind of hose clamps or whatever you call them. Maybe I tightened too much, but this was provided in the kit which I bought, so I don't know, not sure why it would snap like that. And funny enough, after washing my engine bay, this has happened, so I really have no clue. But yeah, that seemed to be a problem. I'll try to obviously connect now, use another hose, hopefully a more sturdy one, and put things back together.